Welcome to Genie. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up and connect the M15 2.4G wireless game stick. Let's start with what you'll find inside the box. You'll get the M15 game stick, a 2.4G wireless receiver dongle, a USB power cable, an HDMI extension cable, and 2 wireless game controllers. Step 1. Plug the M15 game stick directly into your TV's HDMI port. If the space is tight, you can use the HDMI extension cable that's included. Step 2. Connect the USB cable to power the stick. You can plug it into your TV's USB port or use a wall adapter if you prefer. Step 3. Insert the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver into the USB port on the game stick. This allows the controllers to connect wirelessly. Step 4. Turn on your controllers. They'll automatically pair with the stick, so you're ready to start gaming right away. Step 5. On your TV remote, switch the input source to HDMI. You should now see the M15 menu appear on your screen. Step 6. Browse through the menu and choose from hundreds of retro games. Select your favorite and jump straight into the action. If you don't see any signal, don't worry. Check the HDMI connection, make sure the stick is getting power, or simply restart the device. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy classic gaming on your TV with the M15 wireless game stick. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Genie for more easy tech guides.